Happy Monday, second grade. So this week we are learning about how do plants and animals need one another. So throughout the previous weeks, we've been learning about the basic needs of plants and the basic needs of animals. But now they combine and they come together. So we're going to learn about how the circle of life help each other. So engage your brain. This bat drinks from the plant. How is the bat also helping the plants? The bat spreads what? So let's really think about that. The bat comes to the plant, starts drinking water. It seems like it's drinking water from the flower. What's in the flower? I'll let you think about that. If you guess seeds, you're correct. Once the bat starts to drink water from the plant, it gets the seeds. And then that's how reproduction of the plant starts all over again. So on page 181, please write seeds or seed. Okay, next is active reading. This week's science vocabulary terms are environment, pollen, and food chains. Let's start with an environment. Before we start, please make sure you have a journal out. And if you don't have a journal, it's okay. Line paper and pencil. All living and non-living things in a place make up an environment. So if you look at this whole picture here, we have living zebras, living plants, non-living water, but all together, this is the environment. Our next science vocabulary term is pollen. Pollen is a powder that flowers need to make seeds. Pollen may stick to an animal. The animal carries the pollen from flower to flower. This helps plants make new plants. And the last vocabulary term we have is food chain. A food chain shows how energy moves from plants to animals. So some animals, they eat the plants. They receive their energy from plants. And then that animal becomes the food for another animal, and then another animal. And then this is the food chain. We all need each other. And like I always say in science, everything is connected. So from our living plants to our living animals to our living human beings, we all need each other in this system, and we all are connected. Thank you. Have a great day and see you on Wednesday.